Hi, I'm Carla from the Espoma company. Today I'm here to talk about our line of organic lawn foods. But first, we need to understand the difference between conventional lawn care and organic lawn care. Conventional lawn foods use synthetic fertilizers. They can also use herbicides and pesticides, which are designed to grow your lawns fast and eliminate weeds, pests, and diseases. The problem with these lawn programs are that they can burn lawns, leach out of the soil, require more frequent mowing, destroy beneficial microbes and earthworms, and can pose health hazards to kids and pets. So what's the difference with organic lawn care? Organic focuses on growing a healthy lawn because a healthy lawn is the best defense against insects, diseases, and weeds. To have a healthy lawn, you need healthy soil. Healthy soil is crumbly, brown, and alive with earthworms and good microbes. Healthy soil lets roots grow deep, making them resistant to drought and stress. So let's take a look and see how Espoma's organic line of lawn care can help with this. If you want to prevent weeds in early spring, try an organic product that contains 100% corn gluten meal, like our Turf Tone Weed Preventer. Corn gluten helps prevent common weeds like dandelions and crabgrass before they sprout. It's important to keep in mind that weed preventers are not weed killers. They won't remove existing weeds, they prevent new ones from forming. And because corn gluten contains 9% nitrogen, your lawn will get a long-lasting feeding that keeps it nice and green. Apply it in early spring and again in fall. Our 25-pound bag covers 1,250 square feet, and the best part, it's safe for kids and pets to play on immediately after application. If you're looking to establish a new area of your lawn from cedar sod, then our Turf Tone Lawn Starter is the ideal product. It has a 4-6-3 analysis that combines long-lasting nitrogen and a higher level of phosphorus to help new grass take root and thrive. It's enhanced with Espoma's exclusive biotone microbes that help make nutrients more available to the plant and support healthy soil, the foundation of a thriving lawn. Use it on newly seeded areas when overseeding, or for new sod installations. And each bag covers 3,000 square feet. If you're looking for an all-purpose lawn food, then try our Turf Tone All Seasons Lawn Food. This 901 formula delivers up to 3 times longer lasting greening than conventional fertilizers. It's enhanced with our biotone microbes, as well as a source of iron that will keep your lawn dark green without staining sidewalks or driveways. One bag covers 5,000 square feet, and you can apply it up to 4 times a year. As the growing season winds down, your lawn still needs attention. Our final lawn fertilizer, Turf Tone Fall Winterizer, is the ideal product to use when your lawn is trying to recover from summer heat and drought stress. It also helps prepare it for winter so that it greens up faster next spring. Its 805 analysis delivers extra potassium to strengthen roots and improve cold weather tolerance. Like all Espoma products, it contains no sludges, fillers, or toxic ingredients, so it's safe for kids, pets, and the environment. Each bag covers up to 5,000 square feet. So that covers your feeding options, but in order to have the healthiest soil possible, here are 3 tips you should consider so you have the very best results. Make sure your lawn is in the proper pH range, which is 6 to 7. If you're not in this range, your lawn won't utilize the nutrients in the soil. You can check the pH with a soil test. Too low on pH? Add our lightning lime. Its superfine pellets work fast, and it covers 5 times more than ordinary lime. If your pH is too high, add a product containing sulfur, like our soil acidifier. When mowing your lawn, make sure you return the clippings. They provide up to 30% of your lawn's nutritional needs. Use a mulching mower and keep your mower blade sharp to avoid ripping the grass and to reduce the chance of disease. Don't give your lawn a buzz cut. Taller grass helps suppress weeds. Always leave it about 3 to 3.5 inches high. Cut often enough so you never remove more than a third of its total height. Water your lawn thoroughly with about an inch of water per week at the first signs of stress in the spring. This deep watering will encourage deeper roots. In summer, water more often, but for shorter lengths of time, since roots tend to be more shallow. Early morning is the best time to water to avoid evaporation loss. Well, I hope you found this information helpful. These organic gardening practices will give you a lush, healthy, and safe lawn that you, your family, and your pets will enjoy for seasons to come.